Here I've got INFINIX Zero free, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select Backup and Reset, it's right here, and then just go to Backup My Data. Activate it by tapping on this switcher. Let's go to the previous window, and now it's time to log in with your backup account. So just click on Backup Account, and now click on the plus icon, Add Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now enter email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address. And click on Go. Now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on Go. Now you have to read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the conditions, just tap on I agree. And that's basically all. You just have to tap on Next, and you've just activated your Google Backup, so your data is protected. Now you can use your device in a normal way, and just don't worry, as everything is saved by Google. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.